Today we're installing armour sill protection for your Cybertruck. This is an Expel product. It's about 23mm thick, so much thicker than the typical PPF. Now if you want something that you can't see once installed, we sell a PPF option using Expel Stealth, which is like the matte finish, which is a perfect match for the sills on your Cybertruck. But if you want something a bit tougher that will resist oil, grease, just anything basically, then this is what you want. It has a good texture to it. Hopefully you can see that on one of the cameras. Kind of like a spray-on protective bed texture. Takes 2 minutes to install. In the kit you get 2 fronts, 2 rears, some alcohol wipes. So with that, let's get started. Starting on the driver's side, we're going to clean the area first using one of the alcohol wipes. Try not to get any dog hairs anywhere. Right, Goose? So all we're looking for here is the alignment point. So the lower corners of this are sort of rounded off just to make it look nicer, and the width is the same as the step in here. So we're just going to line it right up with that. We're going to roll it over the side, and essentially it's going to perfectly fit sort of from the bottom of this radius to the edge of the sill, I suppose. So unlike regular PPF, we're not going to wet mount this or anything. It just sticks right on. Think of it more like a peel and stick. So all we want to do is line it up. I just need to get in the way of the camera just while I do this. Okay, so that's pretty good. Now I'm looking on this edge just to make sure, hey Goose, that we're lined up and we're in the right spot. Apply some pressure, and then continue to apply pressure as you roll it over the edge, and then finish it like that. So you can see, incredibly easy, no tools, simple alignment. So I'm looking here to make sure that's kind of even and level, and then it's matching this as well. Easy as that. Let's go to the back. Yoink. Onto the rear, same thing, we're going to clean the area. Actually, I've already got PPF on here, so you can see this is what the clear PPF looks like. It's actually a satin to match the interior paint on the Cybertruck, but virtually invisible once installed. So I'm just going to remove this real quick. Should have done this before, but at least you can see what it looks like. All right, let's clean the area. So we don't have a natural alignment point here, there's no step in sill, but essentially it's the flat area. So we're looking there. It's okay if it rotates a little bit on these edges, but not too much because you'll get ripples in the vinyl, which obviously we don't want. So I'm going to peel this off. And then same thing, I'm going to kind of line it up under the weather strip, but sort of at the bottom of the radius here. Just going to apply a little light pressure. I'm going to peel that back because I've got some air trapped. There we go, it's better. And then just kind of rotate it over the edge with your thumb. And then you can see that I could probably tuck that in pretty easily with the trim tool, and what I'm actually going to do is just remove that real quick. This is a good thing about this, we can kind of have a do-over. Doesn't do any harm at all. So I'm going to just tuck it up underneath a bit better than I did that time, just so we don't have to tuck any of the armour. And there you have it, that's how it looks. So nice, tough protection. As you saw, it's easy to pop back off if you need to. But that's how you install it on the Cybertruck. Thank you for watching.